Today let's do two letters, the U and the W, because they're both so close to the same. I think we can do them. The U starts on the bottom line, it goes up and touches, and like the I and the T, you need to follow that line when you come back down. Follow the line when you come back down and then stop. That's a U. It looks like a double I, you just don't dot your I's. Just make sure you follow that line down both times. Follow it down, follow it down. Make sure you touch your bottom line right there. Let's try joining some letters. Here's UT. Follow it down, T, follow it down, then lift and cross. Now let's try UT one more time. Lift and cross. Now let's try TU. Every time I'm coming down, I'm following that line back down. It's very important for these letters to look right and to be easy, and to be easier to write, so that you can write more quickly. And those were not I's, so I didn't need to dot those. Let's erase those. Okay, now let's try UIT. Just joining letters together. These are not whole words. Okay, now let's try TUT. T-U. Watch every time I come down how I follow the line back down. Then I lift and cross. And let's try tutu. That's what a ballerina wears. Lift and cross the two T's. Okay, now you give it a try. Okay, now let's try the W, which is just like the U. You follow it down, but it just has a little tail right there at the end. Watch a couple more. Remember, I'm slanting from down here, slanting up towards the right top corner and coming down towards the left bottom corner, so that my letters will lean into the wind. Okay, now let's join some letters. W-I. Now the I is going to look like it's standing on one leg because the W ends right here, so that's where the I begins. And you come down and dot it. See, the I usually looks like this, right? But it looks like it's missing this leg because the W ends up here, so that where the W ends up top is the beginning of the I. That's why the I kind of looks funny. Now let's try W-U. And W-T. And again, the T is going to look like it's missing part of its leg because, again, when a letter begins right after a letter that ends at the dotted line, it loses its leg. Here's TW. Lift and cross. Let's try IW. Okay, now let's write the word wit. If you're quick-witted, then that means you're smart, as in bright or intelligent. Okay, now you try.